Farmer boys. We have fries. Best burger.
Okay.
First time ko guys to try.
Your first time.
Best part is if you get full, you start brother.
Monday.
Fix the,
Monday.
sure, right? Monday pa? Ah, wala ka dito bukas? You good?
Mm-hmm.
She didn't even eat it.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Okay.
Hindi mo pa nimuya? Ka na agad?
Mm.
I want some fries.
I don't know if it's good.
It's
It's
good.
not even good.
What? You don't like it? That shit is fire.
It is good.
Mm-hmm.
Try this one, eh?
Sarap nga.
I haven't eaten this yet.
Mm.
Daddy. I haven't bit this yet. Ranch, gusto mo? Masarap yung ranch.
Sarap nga.
I don't want it.
Ang dami rin.
Mm.
The ranch is made in house.
Yeah?
Made in house. The ranch.
I can tell.
They make it in like a huge bucket.
You don't want to ask her?
No.
Who are you? You make it in a huge bucket? It's better than
And then
Wingstop
you
ranch.
just to fill it and put it in each cup.
No.
Mm. Mm.
Russian soda.
Zucchini.